Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from March's Boxycharm. This month's theme is Game Changer in honor of Women's History Month. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Styledry Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask, Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm, Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette, and the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Muse. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received, starting off with the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. This is a peel-off mask, so all you do is paint it onto your skin, and it will work its magic to clear impurities. The texture is really fascinating, and it's quite sticky. It says to apply a generous amount, that way you can easily peel it off after 30 minutes. Alright, it's completely dry and time to peel off, so let's see how it goes. Oh, that's actually really easy. Easier than I thought it would be. It doesn't hurt at all either. Well, here's the leftover mask, and it was pretty satisfying to remove, so I give it a thumbs up. Next, we have the Earth Harbor Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. This is a moisturizer, and I'm not really sure why they sent this again because I already received this in January's box, but I'll just go ahead and apply it anyways. So I am noticing some redness, and I'm thinking that's from the peel-off mask, but I'm just going to go ahead and apply some makeup really quickly off camera, and then I'll be back to try out that Ofra Cosmetics blush palette. Now it's time to try the Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks Mini Mix Blush Palette. This has a great range of shades. I'm going to apply this one right here called Pink Satin. I'm really happy to have received this one because I love Ofra Cosmetics. Finally, I'm applying the Appeal Cosmetics Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick in the shade Muse. It's such a lovely color for spring. Here's the finished look using products from March's Boxycharm. Let me know your thoughts on this month's box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.